Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today let me show you some false eyelashes. So here we go. This is the false lashes, and this is 5D lashes. We have 5D lashes and 3D lashes. This is 5D. This is 5D Mink Lashes LX Plus 01. LX Plus means it's 5D lashes with a very cute box. 5D lashes will be 25 to 28 millimeters. This is a cute champagne boxes, and this is LX also. There are also some other numbers, model numbers, and this is number 19. So we have a list of the different model of hair lashes. You can contact me for a photo of different kind of lashes. This is number 19. This will be a complete unit of lashes with a proper packaging and it's beautiful. And this box, there is other color as well, like rose gold. This is champagne also. This is black one. Black box is smaller, and black box is for 3D lashes. Let me find a 3D lashes for you. And this is a 3D lashes. 3D lashes is shorter. This is black box. Sorry. Shorter and also beautiful. Or you can also choose to packaging the. You can also choose to package the 3D lashes with other boxes as well. And this is before packaging. This is color. This is LX, which is 3D 19, model number 19, and this is model number 09. So we have so many models of lashes. You can choose as per your like. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day.